Oh, look, what is that?
So this is grass jelly. It's kind of like Asian jell-O. It's a popular dessert for a lot of Chinese and Asian kids. Sometimes they'll even put it in your bubble tea. The jell-O is made with this plant, which is part of the mint family, so it's actually vegan. Grass jelly is usually black, so imagine our surprise when we went to Shenzhen and found...
Wow, is that green grass jelly?
Right, so green grass jelly and black grass jelly are made with the same plant. The difference is that the black version, what most kids grew up eating, is made with dried leaves, and the green version is made with fresh leaves. The cooking process is more or less the same though. You rinse and boil the leaves, squeeze the juice out, blend and strain the mixture, then reheat the fairy grass juice with a bit of cornstarch, which gives it that jell-O consistency. Then you cool it down and let it solidify. Finally, you cut it into bite-sized pieces and serve it with whatever you want, like coconut milk, for example.
Cool, I want to try it.
What's it taste like?
The texture is different. It's grainier than the black grass jelly. Feels more homemade. Taste is so fresh.